Everyone loves a good Parade of Homes tour, and I am no different. And I'm bringing you along today with a tour we took here at the Parade of Homes in Brentwood, Tennessee. This is the Rosebrooke community. This is one of the newer communities popping up in Brentwood. It is zoned for Ravenwood High School, and so it's right there with all the Brentwood cluster, Brentwood, Tennessee mailing address, and these homes start in the 3 millions and go up from there. Lot sizes vary, but let me take you through to the oohs and ahhs, the parts of the home that everybody wants to see in Parade of Homes homes. I'm Erika Kurre with the Living in Nashville channel. Thank you so much for joining me, and let's come along, start with this home right here, which is a stunner. This 7,500 square foot home on Southwick Drive is the perfect one to walk into first. It's among the flagship builds of the neighborhood. Wood accents stretch from the flooring to the ceiling. All around this house is adorned with high-end details. One of the things that strikes me most about each of these homes is they're not all white. There are punches of texture and color throughout. This mural wall in the dining room is a great example of that. This home is built by Insignia Homes, and they've got their stamp on all the details, including this butler's pantry and a chef's kitchen, which is anything but an afterthought. This $5 million home continues into the primary bath suite with custom finishes that spill into the closet as well. As is standard in this price point, all bedrooms are en suite with their own private bath. All senses are spoken to in these homes. I want to point out a trend that I'm seeing more lately, which is wallpaper on ceilings. An upstairs bonus room continues with non-traditional fixtures as statement pieces and a secret room behind it. But the main level living has the doors you'll really be interested in to the outdoor living space. It is truly elevated with an all-weather porch, grilling porch, a courtyard, a fire pit, and gardens on 7/10 of an acre. Walking to the next door neighbor's house now, a home built by Aspen Construction. This second home on the tour is hands down my favorite of the tour, listed at $5.3 million. You walk in the front door to a 2-story great room. We're talking probably a 25-foot vault here and windows from floor to ceiling. I tried to take a few shots of this because it deserves a few seconds of fame. It opens up to the kitchen though, which features a working pantry beyond the window, bordering the exterior wall. A sophisticated office mixes warm tones with wallpaper and natural woods, and a wet bar in the primary bedroom hallway leads you to a pit stop with a sitting room and a 2-way fireplace. The primary bedroom is just beyond this here. There you go. The great room is on the other side of this fireplace. But let's go upstairs now to one of the 5 secondaries. Each bedroom in this house is also en suite and plenty of entertaining space like this custom glass wine wall. An outdoor porch and kitchen has all the custom upgrades and designs leading to the rec space with a tempting pool. This space is a real oasis, and surprisingly, it feels incredibly private for being on a little more than a half acre, and they've designed an infinity pool effect with a sports car for the garage. And since we're talking about the garage, let's zoom in to the left side of the house. You see it here, the Port-a-Cochere. It's a feature in large luxury homes and just really sets this home apart. And now swinging across the street, our third home on the tour is by Sipple Homes. This parade home is priced at almost $5 million, though in this neighborhood, prices generally range from $3 million to $7 million. As you step inside here, you immediately notice black and white accents. A lot of contrast in this home from the moment you walk in the door. A wet bar separates the expansive great room from the open dining room kitchen. This home is a mood, really leaning into color drenching and the Moody vibes as seen in The Office. Long hallway with texture, custom designs. But the laundry room here is what has drawn Parade of Homes awards. My opinion though, the awards belong to this, the patio and pool deck, as they are just out of this world stunning. I could literally live out here. The last home we visited is right next door, and I'll tell you more details about this neighborhood and how you can get in a little bit. But first, for this home, its wow factor was again the outdoor living space. Legend Homes built this $5 million dream, and this backyard is even more stunning than the front, so I'll just cut straight to the chase. Taking you from the front door straight out the back, You may be able to see the retractable screen up by the stained ceiling. This porch can be enclosed with a push of a button, and built-in heaters give it extended seasonality from the fireplace to the outdoor kitchen. This was one of those elements where people literally gasped when they walked outside. The pool and spa are a cherry on top. And there's so many elements like this in each of these homes. This is just a sampling from about half the builders in Rosebrooke. There are 8 total builders. Among the recurring trends you'll find are a lot of brick and stone work. For the most part, porches are back-end designs, quite a few with room for rockers, swings, chairs. In this neighborhood, you won't see garages facing the street unless they're a small carriage garage or set back behind the house. And large iron front doors are a recurring selection on these homes as well. Most of them have at least 2 bedrooms on the main level. I toured through one that only had the primary on the main level, so it had an elevator instead. This neighborhood is almost a fifth of the way built. About 40 homes listed or sold of 248 home sites where an equestrian farm once sat. So Rosebrooke promises neighborhood amenities now with a clubhouse featuring a great room, kitchen, conference rooms, adult and children's pools, a large playground, an event center, a lawn with an outdoor fireplace, tree-lined sidewalks, multi-purpose trails. These will weave throughout the neighborhood, eventually connecting the extensive bike and walking path system within the city of Brentwood. Every detail of this neighborhood and these designs are customized by a team of professionals, and it shows. It's great to see all the latest and greatest trends, and these homes in Rosebrooke are the homes now that are starting to set the tone for luxury here in Middle Tennessee, especially in Williamson County. So as you go through Brentwood homes, these are likely going to be the styles and trends that a lot of what you're going to tour will be the bar that it is compared to. Thanks so much for coming along with me for this tour. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm Erika Kurre with the Living in Nashville channel. I am Williamson County's go-to real estate agent, and I'm happy to answer any questions as you start considering your move here to Williamson County in Middle Tennessee. Please comment on this video, like, and subscribe to this channel for more tours and information like this.